Hello, my name is Rylee Black, and this is my pet, Wylie. I got Wylie when I was 13 years old, and so he's almost 7 years old now. He weighs about 8 pounds and eats I am small breed dog food. So today, Wylie is a very, very smart little Pomeranian, and so we're going to show you a few of his tricks. So I'm just using turkey, like lunch meat, as his treat. Come on, come. Ready? Okay, sit. Down. Roll over. Good boy. Good job. Okay, ready? Come. Sit. He's a little too excited. Ready? Sit. High five. Good job. Okay. Now twirl. Good boy. And want to dance? Dance. Dance. Good job. And last but not least, all right, back up. Here. Sit. Down. Stay. Crawl. Good job. His last trick then is he knows how to play a game where I will hide the treat in one hand behind my back, and my cat Essie is making a guest appearance, and then he will choose one of my hands which one he thinks the treat is in. So we'll see if he guesses correctly. All right, Wylie, wait, wait, find it, and he was incorrect. There you go, good job, bud. All right, so that's me and my dog Wylie.